I did a video recently and briefly mentioned an escrow account, and it drew some attention, so I wanted to unwrap that just a little bit more. So an escrow account on a mortgage is where the mortgage servicer holds your taxes and insurance, and then each year it pays them to the appropriate party. Each year also, and normally it's in the springtime, your servicer is required to do an escrow analysis where they look at what you're supposed to have in your escrow account and compare it to what you actually do have in your escrow account and adjust accordingly. Now, I admit the escrow account can be the most confusing part of a mortgage, so I'm going to slow down just a bit, show you some numbers that will hopefully make all of this make a little more sense to you. So let's say you've been paying $100 a month in your mortgage payment toward your home insurance, which means in a year the servicer would collect $1,200. What if, though, your home insurance went up to $1,500 a year? Well, you've been paying $100 when you should have been paying $125 each month. And with that, your servicer will review this. They'll send you this escrow analysis showing this, and then they will adjust your payment to collect the difference. And you can apply that same principle to any part of your escrow account, taxes, insurance, what have you. Now, most folks will get mad at the servicer for this. However, it's really not their fault. They are just collecting what the tax assessor or your insurance company is telling them to. So if you have a shortage in your escrow account, the first call really should be to your insurance company or to the tax assessor to make sure that the figure they've given your mortgage company is correct. Now, if this happens, you want to address it and correct it as soon as possible, because the longer you pay the incorrect amount, the more of a deficit your escrow account is going to have, and you may actually find yourself having to pay twice the difference just to get things caught up. And we could spend a lot more time on this, but that's the gist of it. And my suggestion is, if you have any more questions, get with a lender or get with me. And to do that, it's very easy. Visit my website, reach out to me. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching Your Mortgage Minute.